Hindi siya natatakot makulong. Yan ang iginiit ni Vice President Sara Duterte matapos na hindi sumipot sa ikalawang pagkakataon para sa sabina ng NBI. Sa salo-salo kasama ang mga miyembro ng media, sinabi ni VP Sara na abogado na lang ang pumunta sa NBI dahil desidido naman daw talaga si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na pakasuhan siya. Pero hindi raw siya natatakot kahit isyuhan pa ng warrant of arrest. Hindi rin daw siya nagsisisi sa mga sinabi na itinuring ng mga otoridad na death threat sa first couple at House Speaker.
Very recently, I read again the law, and then I found there that there is a provision there, removal from office. So, on that point, it's still kumbaga an avenue, I think, that they're pursuing to remove me from office. I want to be able to still see my children. So I have no plans of doing that. I have no plans of leaving the country to hide.
Sa panayam naman ng programang The Big Story ng One News kay Justice Undersecretary Jessie Andres, sulat lang at hindi counter affidavit ang ipinasa ni VP Sara kahapon. Nanghihinayang daw sila na hindi pumunta ang bise, lalo't gusto rin naman daw nilang malaman mula mismo sa kanya ang umano'y mga banta sa kanyang buhay.
The National Bureau of Investigation is also tasked to investigate this kind of matter, a national security matter that involves the life of the Vice President. So that exactly we set the investigation for two purposes. And the first one was really to get to the bottom of the alleged threats against the Vice President.